Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get boarding pass on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, and in the very middle of the screen, we have the option where you can go and book a flight. So guys, now let's see how you can actually go and get boarding pass on KLM. So first of all, go to KLM website and log into your account and select your flight and complete the online check-in process. You have the online check-in here in the top right corner, top left corner, sorry, the third tab, and you have your trips here as the second tab. Then after checking in, you'll receive your boarding pass automatically. You can choose how you receive it through the KLM app. So open the KLM app and you'll find your boarding pass there. You can log into your account on KLM website and navigate to My Trip, where I already told you to go. And here you will have it when you go and check in. Of course, you can go and check your email. You can get it there. And you can receive your boarding pass via private message on Messenger or WhatsApp. You can also, of course, print or save your boarding pass. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.